Hi everyone, welcome back. Another video on training and pruning of figs. This is called the Dam Noir, or the way the French will say Noir. That's my best pronunciation. Let's take a look. Again, this is about 4 years old tree, and let's take a look from every side. This is by far one of my tastiest, or I should say favorite figs of last season. This is a fig that on my video I said that it has a hint of vanilla in the flavor. That really reminds me of vanilla. So it's a tri-scaffold, 3 scaffolding branches, and I let it grow as high as it would go. The top branch, actually the scaffold, I had to really bend with a lot of wire in order to go down. And this tree shows a very nice growth, so different than what I had just Preto. Preto had really struggled with me, had very small growth and very fragile. And these branches, they are very stout and they have nice apical buds. Strong grower in my conditions. I'm going to show you just up close. You can see how plump and wide these buds, and even the bark on them, it's just smooth and healthy. So as one of the favorites of mine, I will think up-pot this one in a 10-gallon, not now but maybe next season. Let's start at the bottom. This branch I just put some wire to straighten the trunk line, and I will air layer this one. And let's take a look now at the top. Starting with the first scaffold, again, just perfect. I don't have to prune anything here. I will let these small branches on all of these scaffolds to grow, and I have use for them. I will show that in another video. So possibly I can only open up this area between them. Second scaffold, same, exactly. I can just open this up. I do not even want to prune this one here right now. I want to see what's going to happen here. Some of these could be the main crop, late main crop of last season after summer pruning. And now we can see the last scaffold. It did grow very straight up, and I had to use a lot of wire, and then I just put 2 more here to bend it as much as possible. Again, some of you are asking me about my work with wire. I have to say that this technique requires practice, and the more you do, the better you will get. I would not practice on your good trees how to wire. I've been doing this, and I started doing it when about 20 years ago in early 2000. So I can feel what somebody who just starts to wire and bend cannot feel. I will make a video on wiring if anyone is interested. I'm gonna maybe shortly, I don't know exactly when, but I will post a video on wiring, how to practice wiring. Okay, so let's just open this up. So here I'm gonna use about Let's see. Maybe here I can use even a shorter. Yeah, this is a good size. And also about the spreaders, I was asked about where you can find these spreaders. Well, I have this for over or around 20 years, a little bit more. So I do not find these. I can't see them on Amazon. However, I did post a replacement that's they are made of out of plastic, sturdy plastic. So they should be fine too. Okay. Let's see this. This is fine. And maybe even the last one. I'm gonna spread open these two. I was trying earlier and it did work right here. Okay, and that's it. That's all I want to do with this tree right now. Let's take a look from far away. Let's see. Oh, almost forgot. Let me just show you a video from Pete from on YouTube, and he had, I think, the best tasting video on cold Dam Noir, and I just want you to watch this reaction of his son.
You expect the cold Dam varieties to be good, and I think this will be no exception here. All right. So this is cold Dam Noir, and I finished ripening this under the grow lights. Oh, yeah, that's fantastic. So good, so good. Eli, you want one of these? It's really good, buddy. Try one real quick. Hurry. Okay. Oh, this is so good. This is such a good fig. Here, try this, buddy. Tell me if that's one of the best ones we've had. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so see, that was
yeah, that was
a good second opinion there from Eli.
Yeah. Okay.
No, but this is definitely.
That was really funny. I like that reaction of his son. Unfortunately, my son doesn't like figs or any fruit for that matter. I don't know how is that possible, but it is. Okay, let's take a look from all the sides. And that's it for Cold Dam Noir. Thank you for watching.